the way up and started spreading across the ceiling, igniting the laundry that was hanging there on fire. One of the scariest things about this fire was how fast the fire burned and moved through my house. I can see how fast a fire can consume a family if you don't have a smoke detector.
Electrical problems are among the leading causes of fire-related deaths nationwide. The most common cause of electrical fires? The misuse and overuse of extension cords.
Misuse is when you're using too many extension cords. Overuse is when you have too many things plugged in to that extension cord. And mechanically impinged is when you have that cord pinched against a dresser or a bedpost, something of that sort.
In order to avoid extension cords overheating, don't overload sockets or cords. Repair or replace frayed or cracked electrical cords. And do not place cords under carpets. Tape them to a wall where they won't be walked on. Also, make sure your home's electrical system can handle the demands of your household.
The Chicago Fire Department recommends that you should, if you haven't recently, have an inspector come out to check on your electrical service to your house. This should be a licensed, certified inspector. They could look at the service to your house, see what kind of loads as far as current, electricity that your demands are, and then upgrade your service as need be.
In this Chicago Fire Department demonstration, look what can happen if a space heater is placed too close to a bed. Within a minute of the heater being turned on, the bedding catches fire. Within 5 minutes, the bed is fully engulfed in flames. If you need to use a space heater, keep it 3 feet away from all furnishings and yourself. Never leave a unit on when you're sleeping or not at home. Do not leave children unattended near a space heater, and watch out that pets don't trip on the cord.
I purchased my home in February of 2007. It's a new construction, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. I was very excited to get in here. I moved in the same day that I closed on the condo. 4 months later, a fire occurred at my new home. When 3 workers came up to my unit to do some repair work using certain chemicals for the flooring, they had not ventilated the place, and the chemical fumes built up. They were lighter than air, so they rose to the top of the ceiling. They were throughout the entire unit. Some type of ignition source ignited the fumes, and a fireball ripped through my house. The fireball, from what I'm told by the Office of Fire Investigations, probably only burned for about 20 seconds. The fumes rapidly ignited and rapidly dissipated as well. Once I arrived home to my unit, I was totally stunned. I was in complete disbelief that this was my home that I had left only 5 hours prior.